Connectors are the words that join two sentences. They are used to join clauses together and to show the relationship between the ideas in the clauses. These help to say things in a simple and short way. This exercise is given as fill in the blanks with a help box. Fit the suitable connector in the blanks.
School sports day is on Saturday. However, if it rains, it will be held on Sunday. Srimati didn't practice the piano. Consequently, she played badly in the concert. Lalit had hurt his knee. Nevertheless, he still scored 2 goals. I thought she was Aditya's mother. In fact, she was his aunt. Washing your hands stops germs from spreading. Therefore, always wash them before touching food. I'm a bit tired today. That's why I can't concentrate. This homework is important, so please take your time. Traveling by plane is expensive. What's more, it causes lots of pollution. My sister stopped eating sweets and fried food. In spite of that, she didn't lose any weight. The train was cancelled. As a result, I was late for school.